remove that. Now, so did I actually strike item B?
Yes,
I did. That would be a good item for
you
me.
just said it out loud. You didn't make a motion, we just.
Oh, we didn't move to remove it? Okay, so we are on, we're gonna, okay, first thing. I'll entertain a motion to to swap item A and item B.
So moved. Second. All those in favor?
Aye. Thank you. So, the really thinking about what a search costs. Is it wise for us to leverage our meager resources on an interim search? Yes.
So I first want to say that the ad hoc committee led by Megan did excellent on this. I thought the slide presentation was excellent, the memo was excellent, and I want to thank Megan and the committee for the work that they did. I also think that running 2 searches in 18 months is a significant expenditure for the board, taxpayers, EPL, and that the $5,000 that was budgeted for this search is just one visible cost for this. The real cost is board time, staff time, institutional energy that is required to run the rigorous process that we need for an interim. We would then turn around and do it again for a permanent hire. As stewards of public dollars and a volunteer board with finite bandwidth, I'm not sure that we could justify that. So I am wondering what we would think about a strong permanent search earlier than we had expected. We talked about some of the trade-offs in the committee and over the past many months of what that would mean to start that earlier than anticipated, but a permanent search done well and researched properly serves the institution and the community better than 2 searches done under time pressure. And I propose that we focus our energy and resources on getting the permanent hire done right and earlier than we had expected. If the interim in the interim period before a permanent ED is in place, I'm confident that the institution continues to be managed with continuity and stability under Heather's leadership. And I'd like to discuss how we would continue to bridge that period. But I think for now, I would ask us to consider moving forward with an active permanent ED search in lieu of an interim.
I'm comfortable making a motion unless we have more discussion.
Yeah, so we're on item B, which is, what are our values around, the executive director search? And it sounds like what I'm hearing is that we would need to do an RFP.
Yeah.
For, the executive director, the permanent ED search. Rather than the recommendation of the interim search. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah, maybe, and like we back the other stuff up, it's like the values are, what I heard from Michelle, proposed values are continuity, fiscal, responsibility and efficiency.
Mhm.
And achieving stability as quickly as possible.
Yeah.
Do those sound like the values for our search decision?
Yeah, I think so.
So. So. The action would be to charge the existing search committee. To
Yes.
create an RFP.
For an executive director. Thinking, we would want to have that drafted, to, that executive director RFP at the next notice board. I can move it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to make a motion based on this discussion around, leveraging our financial and, our fiscal responsibility of being as efficient and effective as possible to move to decline the recommendation in the packet and charge the existing ad hoc search committee to draft an RFP for an executive director search for the next notice board meeting.
Second.
President, yes, Boss,
Yes,
Governor,
Yes.
Mills,
Yes.
Shay,
Yes.
Fame,
Yes.
Wong.
okay, so then the item that was A, but then became B. I moved to strike item A, because there's no reason to do it.
Seconded.
Can we
All
roll?
those in favor?
I. Okay, is there a motion to adjourn?
So moved.
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye. I'm sorry. Oh. Yeah, we definitely. We should have adjourned, we should have scheduled an additional meeting.
I.
I don't know how, let me find out how you can unadjourn. Wait. Can I recall the meeting to order? What? Hold on a second. If I adjourn. Too quickly. And start. It's never happens. Yep.
There's a motion to reconsider.
Oh, I can just restart the meeting. Adjourn meeting agreed, once meeting is done,
Yeah, I have adjourned an error.
hold on,
It's a 5-second thing.
a 5-second, hold on.
Just blow on it.
And I don't wanna do anything illegal. But it can be renewed.
So any member can move to rescind the adjournment. I move to rescind the agenda, I move to rescind the adjournment and call the members back to order. Second. The chair reconvenes and states that adjournment was an error in the meeting continues.
The meeting was an error. Okay, so or the adjournment was an error.
Yeah.
So what we need, so then I need an item. I'll entertain a motion to add an agenda item. To, well, I don't know that we need to do that. No, it would be a special meeting. I'll entertain a motion to add a special meeting to the calendar. For the purpose of reviewing the RFP and posting it.
So moved, or seconded.
No,
No, so moved,
So moved.
Second, okay.
Seconded.
Shire, all those in favor?
Hi.
Aye. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so, throwing out, Friday the 29th.
Friday, the 29th.
I am available 4:00 on.
Friday,
I will, if it's short, I will make myself available. I'm in lots of town.
I mean, it can't be that hard, it's just reviewing the RFP.
Yep.
And I'm on that committee, we can get the RFP done. Yeah, okay. So,
We don't use the last one and just like,
yeah,
you know.
yeah,
Do the.
so is the 29th at 4:00? Heather, is there any reason why we couldn't do the 29th at 4:00? Not wanting to, it's not. Okay, so the 29th at 4 PM will be the time for that, for a special meeting of the board. The agenda items will include the RFP for discussion and action, yes.
You have to be in the boardroom.
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
This room is. So we should.
That's cool.
Okay, motion to adjourn,
Second.
for real, this time.
For real.
Still like I haven't stuff.
Yeah.
All those in favor?
I.
So.
Thank you.
Sure.
Yes. Nice to meet you. Yes.
The tree, that was. Oh, well,
What to be,
you know, you get the applicants and everything.
oh, yeah, that's.
Night, everybody.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
After, right?
How would I characterize it?
Because you started last meeting with the model.
Right.
It's sort of thing.
I mean, realistically, it was one, center financial leader that we're like, we're getting to the point where we're just going to be